Welcome to our roundup of the best automotive scan tool options you can get right now. Whether you're a DIY car owner, a weekend mechanic, or someone who simply wants to understand what is going on under the hood, having a reliable scan tool can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. Today, we have selected some of the most trusted and feature-packed scan tools that balance accuracy, ease of use, and real-world usefulness. We will walk through what each one does best, how it performs in daily use, and which type of user it is made for. From quick code reading to advanced diagnostics and bidirectional controls, there is something here for everyone. We'll start from number 5 and work our way up to the most powerful option on this list, so make sure you stay until the end to find the one that fits your needs perfectly. The first on the list is the MotoPower MP69033. Accurate fault code reading, bright color display, wide vehicle compatibility. The MP69033 is designed for drivers who want a simple, dependable way to understand their car without paying for constant workshop visits. It supports most cars made after 1996 and works right out of the box without batteries since it draws power directly from the vehicle. Plug it in, and within seconds you can read and clear engine fault codes, check the meaning of the error, and see whether the issue is something minor or something that needs attention. The color screen is surprisingly clear for a tool in this price range, and the menus are easy to navigate even for first-time users. In daily use, this scanner feels quick and straightforward. It does not overwhelm you with complicated menus or advanced features you may never use. Instead, it focuses on doing the basics extremely well. It can display live data, show freeze frame information, and provide built-in code definitions so you don't have to search everything online. The build quality is solid, the buttons are responsive, and the cable is thick enough to survive being tossed in a glove box or toolbox. Where it really shines is reliability. You can keep this in your car and use it any time the check engine light appears. It's not meant for deep professional diagnostics, but for everyday drivers, it does exactly what it promises. Overall, the MotoPower MP69033 is a simple, affordable, and trustworthy scan tool for anyone who wants quick answers without complications. Next up is the Innova 5610. Bidirectional control, large color screen, broad system coverage. The Innova 5610 is a big step up for users who want more than just reading and clearing codes. This tool can talk back to your car, meaning you can perform active tests and command certain components to operate, which is extremely useful for troubleshooting. The large color screen makes data easy to read, and the interface feels more like using a small tablet than a basic scanner. One of the biggest advantages of the 5610 is how much of the car it can access. It doesn't only scan the engine, but also systems like ABS, airbags, and transmission on many vehicles. This makes it a great choice for serious DIY mechanics who work on their own cars or even help friends and family. Live data streams are smooth, and you can graph values to spot problems more easily. In real-world use, the scanner feels responsive and well-built. The menus are organized logically so you don't have to dig around to find basic functions. Updates are simple to install, which helps keep the tool compatible with newer vehicles. It's not the smallest device to carry around, but the extra size comes with a much better screen and more features. Overall, the Innova 5610 is an excellent mid-level scan tool for users who want real diagnostic power without jumping to full professional prices. Next, we have the Autel MaxiCheck MX808S. Fast performance, wide service functions, Android-based interface. The MX808S feels like a compact diagnostic tablet rather than a traditional scanner. It runs on an Android system, which means the interface is smooth, modern, and easy to understand. From the moment you turn it on, it feels quick and responsive, with very little waiting time between menus and scans. This tool is packed with service functions. It can handle oil reset, brake service, battery registration, steering angle calibration, and much more on a wide range of vehicles. It also does full system scans, meaning it checks almost every electronic module in the car, not just the engine. For someone who works on cars regularly, this can save a huge amount of time. In daily use, the touchscreen is bright and clear, and the layout is very user-friendly. You can view live data, record it, and play it back later to analyze issues. The wireless connection and regular updates keep it feeling modern and future-proof. It's still portable enough to carry around easily, but powerful enough to feel like a serious diagnostic tool. Overall, the Autel Maxi MX808S is a fantastic choice for advanced DIY users and small workshops that want strong features, speed, and a modern interface without paying top-tier prices. Next, we move to the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. Wireless convenience, smartphone integration, detailed repair reports. The BlueDriver is different from the others because it works with your phone instead of having its own screen. You simply plug the small module into your car and connect it to your smartphone through the app. This makes it incredibly portable and convenient since your phone becomes the display and control center. What makes BlueDriver special is the quality of information it provides. The app doesn't just show you a code, it explains what it means, what might have caused it, and even common fixes reported by other users. This is extremely helpful for people who are not experts but still want to understand their car better. It can also scan more than just the engine on many vehicles, including ABS and airbags. In real use, the connection is stable and the app is well designed. Live data is easy to read and you can record reports or clear codes with a single tap. Since it uses your phone, updates and improvements come automatically through the App Store. The only real requirement is having a compatible smartphone, but most people already do. Overall, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro is a brilliant choice for drivers who want powerful diagnostics in a small, easy-to-use, and modern package. The last one on our list is the Autel Maxicom MK900BT. Professional-level diagnostics, fast wireless operation, extensive vehicle coverage. This is the most advanced and powerful scan tool in this lineup, and it feels like a true workshop-grade device. The MK900BT is a full diagnostic tablet that can scan, analyze, and control almost every system in a huge range of vehicles. From engines to transmissions, from body modules to safety systems, it can see and do it all. Performance is one of its strongest points. Scans are fast, data loads quickly, and the wireless connection gives you freedom to move around the car while testing. The screen is large and sharp, making graphs, live data, and menus easy to read. Bidirectional control allows you to test components directly, which is essential for accurate troubleshooting. Overall, the Autel Maxicom MK900BT is the perfect choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts who want top-level features, speed, and reliability in one complete diagnostic solution. So that wraps up our list of the best automotive scan tools you can choose from. Whether you want something simple for quick checks or a powerful device for deep diagnostics, there is an option here for you. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay informed.